For today's SAT question of the day, we have a line segment question, which is also a must-be-true question, and it's also this 1, 2, 3 Roman numeral style question. So there's a lot of moving parts here. So there's a couple ways to do this. One is plug in your own numbers, and two is look at it abstractly. I'm going to show you both methods. Let's do the plug in your own methods first. So notice we have this number line, or this series of line segments, and we want to know what must be true. So what always has to be correct, always has to be true about these lengths. So if there's one instance in which it isn't true, then it's never always true. So we want to know when is it always true. So what we can do is just plug in some numbers. Now they look about equal, and you could in theory make them equal. So like 7, 7, 7. But you could also make them unequal because there's no measure here indicating that they have to be equal. So it really doesn't matter that much. I'm going to take 8, 8, and now let's make them different just to be careful. 8, 7, and 6. And now let's see which of these work. So let's look at number 1. AB plus CD equals AD. Well, AB was 8. CD is 6. AD is 8, 7, 6. That's 21. So does 14 equal 21? No. So this is not true. And so we can get rid of anything in the choices with a 1. So we can get rid of this one, we can get rid of this one, and we can get rid of this one. So we know of the following two statements, 2 and 3, only one of them is going to be true, and that definitely helps us out a lot. Notice in the abstract way, they want to know, does AB plus CD, so does this piece plus this piece equal the whole thing? And clearly not, because it's missing BC, so that's why 1 is not true. How about statement 2? AB plus BC, so 8 plus 7, is equal to AD, which is 21, minus CD, which is 6. So does 15 equal 15? Yeah. So that's true. So B works, so clearly choice 3 is not going to work. But again, what is the abstract way? Well, they're saying that this piece plus this piece is equal to the whole thing AD minus this final piece right here, which means, again, this piece. So yeah, it makes sense that choice 2 would work, right? We're getting two equal parts, regardless of what the numbers are. And let's just check choice 3 just to be thorough. So they want to know, does AC, which is 15, minus AB, which is 8, equal AD, which is 21, minus 6, which is 15? So again, does 7 equal 15? No, so choice 3 doesn't work, which is good, because the only one that works here is B, and that's the answer. And again, for the abstract way, they want to know, does this whole AC minus AB, in other words, leaving over BC, does that equal AD, the whole thing, minus CD? Well, that, when you subtract off CD, is going to leave you with AC, and that obviously doesn't equal just BC. So again, choice 3 isn't right, so you can go with 2 as your answer.